Hi, I'm Tony Ariano.
I'm Akeem Babatunde.
I'm Eddie Damaris.
I'm Jack Jordan.
Ben Malone.
I'm Tate McKinney,
And I'm Ben Torres.
and this is our design and development project. And for our project, we tackled the Game Preserve website. So this is a small store in downtown Bloomington, which has all sorts of games in it. Thing is, their website is pretty plain. It's completely in black and white, and there's not much content on it. So our purpose in this project was to redesign the page to make it a bit more interesting, to just create a cleaner and simpler layout for the website.
Our features, we have improved anesthetics. The original site was bland and generic. Now it's themed around the signature maroon color in all of their stores. Navigation menu header maintained from the previous site. This allows easy access to all of the site. We added CSS styling to the links on the navigation bar for anesthetic purposes. Uh, Useful footer. Previously, the footer was nearly useless. Now it provides easy access to their social media from anywhere on the site. Remove extraneous features. The original website had a privacy policy and a terms of service page with nothing on it that we removed. We also merged the locations and contact pages to have all the information you would need about the stores on one page. This helps prevent needing to cycle through different pages with similar information.
With this new design, it's very easy to navigate from each page to each other page. So like from home page to the COVID-19 update page, the About Us page, and the location page is also good.
So as far as what we did for the homepage, we added the color that is consistent with the rest of the website and is kind of like the color associated with the Game Preserve. And there was a Find Store button right above the logo, but we figured that that was sort of redundant given there are already options at the in the header to navigate the site. And we also removed some space between the logo and the mission because the mission statement is right under the logo on the homepage. And before it took a lot more scrolling. So this just kind of condenses the page and makes it easier for the user to use.
And so they have a special page for how they've been handling the COVID-19 pandemic. So for this one, we redesigned it to add a bit more formatting, add a bit more color, incorporate the new header and footer, and just generally make it cleaner and easier to like figure out at what time different announcements were made. So like the most recent announcement is at the top of the page and the first announcement is at the bottom.
All right, so similar to the other pages, we also, for like the context page, we also added the maroon header and footer color to just keep the pages consistent with the same header and footer with the social media accounts. And the original website had the locations and contact page, but we thought that was kind of repetitive because the contact page only had the office address. The locations had the store addresses and stuff, so we just decided to combine them all into one page with all the information. So it has like the addresses to the office and stores, the phone numbers, emails of the office and stores, and the operating hours, and then map images of locations.
In the About Us page, we decided to maintain the same story. We didn't modify anything what the text was saying because we felt, it's a pretty important part of the identity of both the store and the website, and we wouldn't want to change, their story. But we did decide to put the logo right above the story, so that way, while you're reading it, you kind of associate it with the store and with that logo in your head. We changed the overall pretty boring design of the page to make it more memorable, adding more color. Again, as I just said, adding the logo right above, changing the font around a bit. And the original page had the social media of the various different stores right next to the story. And so we decided to keep that on the About Us page, but I decided to put it below it. So that way, while you're reading it, you don't also have, a bit of information overload going on right next to what you are, and it won't distract you. For our usability test, I invited my friend Logan. He's another IU student over here. He had pretty positive feedback. He said it was really easy to navigate. It was very simple. It was very concise. He said, and I quote, "It's hard to get lost in," which he apparently says is a problem for him in a lot of websites. And that just gives the information that he cares about. Based on this, we decided there wasn't much we had to change about our website. It is exactly what we planned on. Simple, elegant, nice looking. We decided to go ahead.
So our rationale for why we redesigned the Game Preserve was the Game Preserve's website was because we saw potential in it to become better. The website had the potential to be better than what it was, so we decided that it shouldn't be boring and dull. So we decided that adding more color and making it more accessible would benefit the website and the store.
All right, thank you for letting us present our website to you. I think we all learned a bit more about HTML and CSS. So yeah, it was a good learning experience. Thank you.